Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts. I'm Anna Vanila, and today I decided to do a crochet stitch for you, which is a V-stitch. In case you might not know it, it's a V-stitch. It's basically a V, victory. So as you can see, it's like a V letter all the way, and then another V inside another V, and so on, and it creates this beautiful design. I've made a couple of rows here, 20 stitches. I've used acrylic yarn, and this is 4.5 millimeter hook, and this is how it looks like. On the back it's more or less the same, so you can actually choose which side would you prefer for it to be the front and which one for the back. And I have made with this stitch in this color. As you can see, it's again V stitch, V stitch for summertime. This is a garment I make for summertime. This is the stitch in eco-friendly yarn, so basically unraveled yarn, and I recycled it into this pattern. So I make now a top out of this two recycled yarn. And here basically is how it looks like on a small scale. You should use the marker which guides you which is the front and which is the back, because it's identical on the front and on the back. And let's begin. I've chosen this time around to be in pink. The acrylic yarn that I use to be in pink. So this is what we do, like this. Then we make this loop like so, and we chain 20 loops. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 20 loops plus another loop, extra loop we need. And then what we do is we see these bumps like so at the back, so we do not need each loop like so, but with a bump. So we turn it like this, and inside these bumps we knit. This pattern is useful for everybody, even if you are a beginner. Like so. So we knit to the end all these bumps. And then it gets easier to do the V-stitch pattern. Two. So we turn the work and we've got chain here, but what we need to do is the first loop. We introduce the needle into the first loop, we grab the yarn from behind, we have 2 loops and we knit them, we crochet them together, and then we do another knitting, another crochet into this bump, into this stack crochet, and it creates like a stitch, crochet stitch. Yarn over, and then we miss 2 spots here, 2 loops, and in the third one we make double crochet, then chain, then double crochet in the same loop, again double crochet, but we miss 1 loop now, like this. We do 1 loop, then another yarn over, double crochet, and we have V stitch. Yarn over, we miss 1 loop here, we add a loop here at the top, and then double crochet. So yarn over, we miss the first loop, we do the second loop, 1, then we do 2, miss 1, double crochet, chain, double crochet, we miss 1, double crochet, 1 loop, 1 stitch, double crochet, yarn over, double crochet, so we missed 1 and double crochet in the other, chain, and then chain 1 and then double crochet, yarn over and double crochet. Next we do yarn over and we miss 1, 2, and in the third we make 1 double crochet. So this is just so it equals what was at the beginning. So we have the stack loops, 2 stack loops, and then double crochet here, turn the work. Then we knit in the first loop, double, so we do crochet, and then we knit this part, lower part of, and then we do another crochet, then we do yarn over, and we do inside the V. As you can see, it's inside the V. So 1 loop, yarn over and double here. So V goes inside the V. Now yarn over, and every time we do inside the V. Like so. And it gets easier as you go. Then we do double in the last one, double crochet, so it balances both sides of this stitch. Then we do stack, so we needed it in the beginning, stack crochet, so we do 2 loops, we knit them, then we grab this loop at the bottom, we knit this, so it's just stack crochet, and then again yarn over, double, chain 1, double, yarn over, double, chain 1, double, and so on. I hope now you understand quite easy how this pattern is done, and as you can see, it's meant for the beginners as well. So it's pretty, very pretty stitch. So thank you very much for watching and subscribing and liking my videos, and see you soon in my next videos. I always have new surprises for you, and good luck with your projects. Sending you much love and care, and take care.